Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of 3D printed food and food ink. Get ready to explore how this revolutionary technology is transforming the culinary landscape, offering creative, sustainable, and customizable food solutions. 3D printed food involves using additive manufacturing techniques to create edible items, layer by layer. This process utilizes food-grade materials, known as food ink, which are deposited through a nozzle to build intricate shapes and designs. It's like having a culinary artist in your kitchen, crafting masterpieces with precision and creativity. One of the most exciting applications of 3D printed food is its potential to elevate culinary creativity. Chefs and food designers can experiment with complex geometries and intricate patterns that would be impossible to achieve through traditional cooking methods. From sculpted desserts to personalized pasta shapes, 3D printing opens up a world of artistic possibilities. 3D printed food offers unparalleled customization options, allowing consumers to tailor their meals to their specific preferences and dietary needs. Imagine creating meals that cater to food allergies, fitness goals, or unique flavor profiles. The future of personalized nutrition is here. The technology behind 3D printed food also addresses sustainability challenges in food production. By utilizing alternative ingredients, such as plant-based proteins and insect flours, 3D printing can reduce the environmental impact of food manufacturing. Plus, the precision of 3D printing minimizes food waste, promoting more efficient resource use. Food ink is the essential material used in 3D printed food. It can be derived from a wide range of ingredients, including fruits, vegetables, proteins, and carbohydrates. From purees and gels to doughs and protein-based inks, the versatility of food ink is impressive. 3D printing technology offers precision and control over ingredients and proportions, resulting in nutritionally balanced meals tailored to individual needs. The controlled environment reduces the risk of contamination, ensuring enhanced food safety. Plus, the novelty and creativity of printed food provide consumers with unforgettable culinary experiences. Despite its potential, 3D printed food technology faces challenges, such as technical consistency, cost, and regulatory concerns. However, ongoing research and innovation are paving the way for mainstream adoption. The integration of AI with 3D printing and the development of new food ink ingredients will drive further advancements. As technology advances and costs decrease, 3D printed food is likely to become more mainstream. Restaurants, cafes, and home kitchens could soon embrace this innovative technology, offering customizable and sustainable food options for everyone. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel Compact LMS for more exciting content. Join us on this culinary adventure as we explore the future of food with 3D printing technology. Until next time, happy cooking!